All right now, boys and girls, what we have here is a spectacular treat. So I just scooped up some wines. Got a bunch of wines, and then I got my big surf rod out here today. Yes, sir. I got my big one. I got my smallest wee little rod, the Dark Diamond, because with that one I'm gonna catch the bait. That's my bait rod. I always use it for my bait. Now, on top of that, I also got my lure rod, because sometimes the Whopper Plopper be producing me with a little bass. I ain't never caught a big bass on there, no keepers, but I always seem to catch at least one bass at this particular spot. Now, I hope ain't nobody else out here, because it's gonna throw the whole vibe of the video off. I got the surround sound speakers, I got a whole thing going here. Now, I got to get it good, because it's going on the YouTubes. So, I hope that nobody's there to throw the vibes off. But even if they are, we're still gonna get it. We're still gonna go hard for it. And we're gonna come home with the W. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is cut this hook off. Wrong type for what I'm doing. Put one of these on here. Steel lead. I don't like these, but I'm gonna give them another shot. See if I can increase my chances. These require these. Two of them. I got these two, just in case I see I'm catching some big boys. Switch over, but for now, this trip, just do the steel lead. I don't do no fancy ties. I'll do a little something for y'all. Loop it through, bring it on out. I know my fingers look weird. It's chicken sauce. I had some fried chicken some good old chicken wings last night. Come on, that's good enough. Like I said, it ain't no fancy knot. Alright. Now I'm gonna put a 3 ounce, because I'm using my big rod. I see that turns off early. Boom. For these hooks, in case you didn't know, you through this eye, and then through this eye, or through the string, and then boom, and they're on there. Just like this for now. I think it's huge, man. 12 foot. I think it's huge, man. 12 foot. It's double my height, basically. This guy, I'm just gonna put a whole worm on both hooks. Hope for the best. I've caught many many catfish out here with worms before, so it should be all right. Boom. That's how you do it, baby. Yeah. There it is. And that's what it sounds like. Come on, baby, hit it again. Let me tighten it up. All right, we got 2 hooks fully ready. All my bait was gone, so that's a good sign. That's the beauty of using. I thought we was gonna have some company, but they left. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Dang it, man. Like a second whopper plopper out here is gone. I should have just reeled it in. Man, this thing has been over here for a while. I don't know what this buoy is for or whatever, but man, what the heck? Couldn't find out this thing ain't on nothing. It's just out there for nothing. What is this? It's dragging something. Come on, baby. I need to give that back. It's pulling out. I don't know. I think I'm at the end of my rope. Yep, that's it. One last goodbye, I guess. Let me try to get you from the other side. Dang it. That's gonna be it. Somebody gonna get my whopper. This is goodbye. Dang it. Oh, this trip sucks. Man, look at it, just laying there looking at me. Like, I caught so many fish off that. Dang it. Oh man, that really sucks. I can't even explain to you how bad that sucks. Check my bait here on the little guy. He's small, but he mean. All right. Dang. Man, that sucks. All right, well, I got this one in Minnesota. It's not replaceable. It was $20 also. So I ain't even taking that out today. But today, I might be done with lure fishing today. Ain't even no point. It's too murky, man. Well, that's it. Keep it tight. Put her there. Turn on the camera here. All right, we're getting little hits. Ain't nothing to write home about. Even though I was just on Marco Polo writing home about it. Come on, baby. Where your big brother at? Where your older sister at? Where your mama? Call your daddy. Tell them they got worm over here. Man, forget it. I'm gonna just catch them and catch them and release them. How about that? If I can. Come on, baby. You hitting again? Come on, one more time. Let's do it. Come home with me. Not home. Got him. got one. Oh, yes. You're gonna be surfing soon. It's surfing, it's surfing. Look at that there. I got one, yes. Okay, small baby cat. Baby cat, oh, baby cat. Come to Papa, baby. Oh, that ain't a catfish? Whoa, that ain't a baby at all, actually. Man, I should have snagged him a while ago. Look at that there. Look at that. Oh no, the hook is in him. You might be coming home with me, actually. Yeah. Look at me, looking at me. Fish are smarter than you think. Look at that. That thing is big. Woo. Big old yellow perch. Let me get you. Dang. Now, for those of y'all that don't fish, you don't understand how big this yellow perch is. Oh, dang it. I done got him deep. Oh. It's gonna get graphic. I gotta go. All right, we're back. I ended up cutting the hook off on him because I couldn't get it back out. I ain't got my dehookers with me. So, man, that thing is huge for those. Yeah. I ain't got my wipes. And bled all over me. I mean, look at this. Look at that. That's crazy. He gone though. He is gone, man. Dang. Also, if you were wondering how I'm getting the angles on the rod, I got the GoPro mount on the rod right there, and then the extenders to come around and up. I got two extenders because they'll change the direction of it also. So this makes it where it's facing forward still, and it holds it very sturdy. But yeah, I got this mounted on here, that way I can get all those good angles. Now, check this out. Watch me work. All right. The Ugly Stick Big Game, aka the Monster Hunter. And did it again. All right, about to go see if we can get another one. There we go. Oh, baby. Oh, there we go. I watch a lot of videos and they be like going way further than that. I'll get there. Not right now, baby. Not right now. This was a request I got a while back, so I'm gonna tell a little story real quick of a time when I was fishing. So this particular time, I wasn't actually doing the fishing, my brother was. And it's an old family story. It's okay if I tell it, I think. So he was noodling for catfish, and he was all down under the water, and I'm just standing there like terrified. Just standing in the water like this. I didn't even want my arms in the water. I didn't want nothing to touch me. I was like, oh man, couldn't see nothing. All of a sudden, my brother comes up holding this catfish that's like this big around, like just like this, up against his chest. He's just like hugging a catfish. And he's like, get it, take it. And I was like, no, I'm not, I'm not grabbing that. Like, what do you mean? Like, he's just like grab it, man, get it. And I was just like, no, man, like I get out of the water so you can get up. Like, I'm not grabbing that. So then the fish just, he's holding it with the tail end up because he has his hand like in his mouth. So it's like this, and he's like holding it by the mouth, and his tail is sticking up right by his face. And so the catfish finally wanted to get away and started just smacking my brother in the face repeatedly with his tail until he just finally let him go. It was hilarious, but I was not about to grab that catfish. It had to be every bit of this, like this big at least, because he was holding it like that. It was ridiculous. But yeah, that's my little story time for you. Shout out to my cousin for asking for this, for the story time. Sorry it took so long. But yeah, that was a crazy time when I was fishing. Now let's get back to it. Well, I decided to do a bait check, and it's a good thing I did. Dump some of this stuff out. If you put leaves in instead of this black stuff, it'll keep the worms alive as long as there's something in there for them to eat. They can stay alive in your refrigerator for I don't even know how long. I know months for sure, but they gotta have something to eat. So something took the bait off my top hook. I'm gonna rebait it, recast it. I've been having it over here, so I'm gonna aim further out here, see what happens that way. It's very low tide, so further the better. Get it going nicely. Waiting all day. All day. Got him. Look at that. Look at that big boy. Big boy. Yes. Whew. Well, skip the dirty work. That one was hooked right in the jaw. I threw him back. I'll show more when I have my actual dehookers, because I'm embarrassed. I don't really like touching fish, even though I love fishing. So when I don't have my dehookers and my grippers, it's embarrassing. I ain't showing y'all that. Like, seriously. So I went ahead, I cut my lead off, and so right now all I have is just the string. I don't like to put it just on there like that, so I'll tie like something small, like a little hook or a little sinker. That way I can keep it all, like the both pieces together, and I keep the string through it, because if not, it just get kind of lost in the sauce basically. Actually, I think I'll just tie it to the reel this time, because see what I usually do with my smaller rods, I'll cut them off and then I bring the string down, especially with my open face rods, but this is a little different. So what I'm gonna do here is put it through this, and I'm the only one who does this. Most people ain't doing this, but I'll tie a knot, because I change my string at least once a year anyway. And then boom, reel it up, and it just stays right there. It doesn't get all knotted up while I'm not using it. And that way too, I don't have to have the eye down at the bottom, because usually if you have string in it, the eye itself is down at the bottom getting all messed up and can potentially get taken off, so you don't want that. But boom, this is how big my rod is right here too. This rod is literally twice my height. Crazy.
Oh man, finally did it. That's probably one of the biggest fish I caught off this, honestly. I need to catch more fish with it, but I haven't really been fishing much with it, so yeah. Oh man, hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed fishing. And yeah, next time I'll have my dehookers and everything in my grippers. That way I can just leave the camera on and leave the camera running. But like I said, I'm not about to show y'all me getting all embarrassed. So that being said, I did. That's all, folks. I was gonna go to Lake Anna today, but I done caught some fish now, so it don't really matter. Plus, out there, it's dark now, and if I go a different day, it's gonna be dark. So there's really no difference in me going today or going a different day. So I'll probably go after work sometime this week, because I ain't got nothing else to do. So I'm getting a phone call. So yeah, I'll end it right there. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I'm not sure how this is going. Man. Well, it's been fun. It's been cool. What? Nah. Oh. Ooh, gives it. Oh, flips it. It's been real and it's been cool, but I can't say it was really cool. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, night, whatever time it is at the time of your watching. Peace.